Let's get right into this Wednesday update. I have the body here on the lift because I've started the repairs. And it is going to be rough. Like, seriously, really rough. Everything is in such bad shape here. And a lot of the structure in this back section is no good, so you're starting from basically nothing. Fear not, there's no job too big for the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt. But yeah, for real, this is going to be a big job. Check it out. It's so rusty. Everything's so rusty on this old truck. Check it out. I got a couple of tailgates over here. What are these for? A couple tailgates. Free tailgates from my buddy at the Diamond Auto Collision. I will use some of this metal for patch panels, and this right here, I thought, see how that's ribbed like that? I thought that'd be really good and strong for the floor. This one right here is off a Dodge and a GMC Sierra. I think he has some more there. I'll have to go look, but if I don't need them, I'm not gonna get them. This one doesn't have the undercoating, but still it has this ribbing, which would make it really strong for the floor section, I think. Our poor little parts truck is looking pretty rough out here, sitting all junked up. Junk parts everywhere. We'll still need to get that bed off of there. The bed is not bad, but I think some of the braces underneath it are going to have to be repaired so that I can mount it really good and sturdy. Remember, all these repairs I'm doing are structural, like to make it strong. We're not going for a real pretty or no fancy job. I just need some good, solid metal on there so the truck is structurally sound. These old trucks, I don't care what anybody says, they are just the coolest things. This 520, 521s are cool too. People like, I think, the 521 because they're more squared up instead of bubbled like this one. It's kind of bubbly looking. I don't know, I like both. And this is one I got, so this is one we'll use. I highly doubt there's gonna be a video on this differential this week. The seals came in, but again, the wrong ones, and so what happened was, I'm using the newer style backing plates with the older axles, and so the seals were not the right size. That's why there's so much confusion getting the right seals, because I got the right seals for the newer axle and I got the right seals for the older axle, but since I'm putting the two together, it requires a different seal. I don't know, maybe they'll come in. My left-hand thread tap and die came in so I can get this tie rod end in order. This is something I was wanting to do because I was so curious how it'd look. Let's see, the big reveal. My wheel, check it out. The nice charcoal gray with the white. I think it's beautiful. Hold on, there's more, hold on. Remember, we got a chrome hubcap, which will snap on there. I just haven't. I don't know if I'm gonna redo this. I'm not completely happy with the way it turned out, but it looks pretty good. I certainly like the colors. That worked out just fine. That's exactly what I was looking for. I did say earlier I was going to do pink in the center, but I thought that's just too loud. All the time, pink, I'd probably get old after a while. That's the only thing I was thinking, so I really like this color gray. Reminds me of the Prelude we had. That's your update this week. I can't just stop working on this truck, so that's why I had to bring the body in and get started on that. If parts were in, or if they come in for the differential or whatever, I may do that. You may see that Sunday morning, not sure. If you're new to the channel, this is a Wednesday update. The main video is Sunday morning. And what I'm doing is taking this old body and trying to get it ready to put on a chassis that has been restored. I've gave myself a deadline of September the 15th to have this done. And honestly, I don't think I could do it. Who knows? Anything's possible. Stranger things have happened. Thanks for checking out the update. Don't forget the main video is on Sunday morning. We'll see you then.